Hey everyone, this is Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install apps on your Samsung TV. So if we go to the left and we go on down to home, we can see this section where we have For You, Live, or Apps. That is the section you want to go to actually get your applications installed, and you can find them under here. So let's just go up to the top, go past Live and go to Apps right here and go to it. And then we can see the recommended apps. We can click on those and we can download them if we want. Otherwise, we can scroll on down. Here's some editor's choice, downloaded apps. So these are the ones I think maybe already on my TV. So I got like YouTube and stuff. So going through this category and just see if you can find anything you like. We got lifestyle apps. We got gaming, watch live sports, breaking news, popular this week, Disney, YouTube TV, etc. And there's not a whole lot of apps on your Samsung TV, so kind of what you see right here is kind of what there is. And then you can go to the group categories, and you can find a little bit more, and then we got the genres as well. Then we got app settings, update all, auto update, etc. Now we could also try going to search and see if we can find these specific apps through here as well, if we don't find anything. So let's just type something in like browser or something like that, see if they have an internet browser on the Samsung TV. And maybe there's an application for this. So let's go to the browser and then go to search right here. So you can try to search for different applications through here. You can see I think I searched for Disney at one point in time down here. And it doesn't look like anything's showing up, or maybe my TV is just really slow and old. But just click on the application, and you can try to install it on your TV now. So let's go up to News and Weather. And you can see it's slow loading. I think I have a lower model Samsung TV, maybe that's why. Slower processor and low amount of RAM. So we can go to CNA, select this. There should be an option to install it under here. Wait for this to load. Let's go to install now. And it should be added to your app list now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.